How you guys doing out there? This is JOATD and I'm back with another video. This here is my 2011 BMW X5 E70 50i, okay, twin turbo. I want you guys to see my new display. This is a Android display. Let's give it a push. All right. So it's gonna come on with the logo. You can choose any logo you want, BMW wise. Then it's gonna let you know that it has Android on it, so it's loading Android. Now, when it opens, it's gonna open to whatever the last thing you had open on it. So mine should be the media player. Yeah, there you go. So right now, it's playing a Chris Brown song. The music right now that's on it is the music that I loaded onto the memory. It has a Snapdragon 8 processor in it. It also has 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage internal. It also has a spot for a SD card, so you can put more storage on it if you would like. It has a SIM card slot. It's right here on the top. This is the SIM card slot. That is the SD card slot, okay? So right now, if I kind of get close to it, you can see it has 4G. So I have a SIM card in it. Now let me let you know something. I don't know if it's just the model I got or how it works, but the one that I got, it only will play or only uses Verizon, okay? And the Verizon network uses CDMA network, okay? So GSM, you know, that's T-Mobile and stuff like that, so it will not use a SIM card from T-Mobile or AT&T. I've tried. Verizon is the only one that works. So right now, my unit is wireless. It's not connected to my phone. I'm actually shooting the video with my phone, so it's not connected to my phone. It also has wireless Wi-Fi capability, so it can connect to your house network. That's what I like the most about it. You can go out, just hit home. Okay, you can go to the navigation. I got Waze for navigation. So we got the navigation right there. And then let's see, go back out and you can connect it to your phone. Mine's not connected right now, so this is your media player, and this right here is your video player. So if you tap this, it'll automatically open up VLC, because VLC, I have that installed on here. You can put any Android store app on it. Let's see, if we go down here to Android, you see all the apps I have on it. So you can open up any of these apps, okay? Another thing that I like about this is, okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 2:16 p.m.
You see that? 2:16 p.m. Okay, Google, play Young Dolph YouTube music. There it is. So it's playing Young Dolph. And it'll actually open it too. I don't know why I chose not to open it this time, but it'll open it too. And it's right here. 100 shots. See? So I'm gonna turn it down. To go back out, you just slide down and you can just go to the home, or you can hit back. Have a back button here. If you have a multiple, it's just like having a phone. If you got multiple screens open, you can close them. You can close all the screens. You know, you can actually just hit it right here and just close all of them at one time. Okay. This screen size is a 10.25. As you can see, it's very fast. One thing, I'm not finished. I just installed it, so I'm not finished putting in all of the plastics and stuff. You can see I'm missing the plastic here and the plastic around here. But I had to take all of that off because with this particular unit, you have to use what is it? You have to use your auxiliary port. Okay, so if I go in here, you can see how it's plugged into my auxiliary. I never used it anyway because I have Bluetooth in my car, so I never used it, but I ran it up under and I kind of drilled a hole in the side so that I can have it coming out, you know, so it looks pretty decent. Another thing that is good about it is that you can use your OEM display also. So if I go to the iDrive down here at the bottom and press menu and hold it down, it automatically goes back to my OEM setup. See that? So it'll go to my old OEM setup. You go down here, click on it, go to your car status, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So you can go through everything. And then if you want to go back, you can either touch the screen or you can press the menu button and hold it down again. If you touch the screen, it'll automatically go back. That's another thing I like about it. Another thing with when you're setting this up, let's see, you press settings, then you scroll all the way down to factory, and then hold on, you type in your password. They say that every time you purchase one of these, it comes with a new password. It has its own password. So like if you just look through some of these functions, like let's see, car display, this right here is what type of car you have, right? So if I go up a little bit, you can see right here, this is my car, CMC E70 X5, 2009 to 2011. This would be my car, right? But when you click this and then you go back to the original you know, display, it's like it's stretched so big you can't even really see anything. So I had to go through every last one of these to find one that would be perfect. And the NBT F series, that one works. As you can see, it says screen 8.8 inches to a 10.25. And if you go down here and look, this one says the same thing, but that one won't work. So on mine, this is the one that worked for me. Okay. Let's see. This is just vehicle information, different things you can set up in here, and some of this stuff is like set, you know, it was already set when I bought it. Some of it I had to set myself. Stuff like that. Let's see. I mean, that's about it, guys. Okay, Google, play Chris Brown. See, that time it opened it, and it's playing Chris Brown. See that? So you just hit that, and it'll show the background will be Chris Brown, and it'll play it. And the one thing I like about the YouTube music is if you wanted let's say you wanted to play the video. You can hit, okay, hold up. See, it says song, video. You can hit video, and it'll actually play the video. And it plays good. So that's the thing I like about YouTube Music over like Spotify and different things like that. If I want to play the video, it'll play the video, and if I want to play the song itself, all I got to do is touch the screen and hit song, and it'll start playing the song. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is my Android 10.25 inch screen display installed in a 2011 BMW X5 E70 50i. If you have any questions or anything like that, just leave them in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And I did get this unit from, I think it was called 4x4 shop in Canada. I chose this one because there are different ones, but this one seems to be the best running one. It runs good. You know, the touch screen is perfect. Everything is great. So that's all I can say. It's build quality. You know, the quality build is great. It has a Snapdragon in it. The screen is made by LG. I mean, really can't ask for anything more, guys. All right, this is JOATD, and I'm out.